Hello friends, in today's video we explain how to fix the verification failed issue on the Binance app. If your identity verification is rejected, it usually happens because you have already used the same ID on another account. In that case, Binance verifies only the first account and rejects the second account. To fix this, go to check details and tap on try again. Then select your nationality and continue. Upload your original documents and PAN card, enter your number and complete the captcha. After that, verify with the OTP sent to your mobile number. Next, you may be asked for your DigiLocker PIN, enter it or use the forgot PIN option. Then allow permissions and proceed. After processing, your verification status will update. Finally, fill in details like employment, industry, and income. Submit everything and wait for review. Within a few minutes, your account should be verified and the issue will be fixed. Thanks for watching.